Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the annual benchmark test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, finally I did get the answer with the OnePlus Nord 2 and this is my first time doing the annual benchmark test in this phone, which is a day one of using this device. Let's see what will be the annual benchmark score we can actually expect in this OnePlus Nord 2. The OnePlus Nord 2 has got the 1200 AI chipset and this is exactly 8GB variant which I am trying to use during my time of demonstration. As you can see friends, which is a 8GB and 128GB model and Dimensity 1200 AI, as you can see exactly. And let's see friends how much score we can actually expect in this OnePlus Nord 2. So I did use a couple of other Dimensity 1200 and we do know the scores are completely different from Realme to the POCO F3 GT. Let's see what will be the OnePlus Nord 2 score we can actually expect. So first let me try to use the same kind of settings. I'm trying to use 50% brightness only. As you can see, 50% brightness I'm trying to select during this time of testing. And my room temperature is every time 30 degrees. As you can see, pretty normal. And the phone temperature in the beginning itself close to 33.6 degrees. As you can see on the back side, 33.8, not bad. I just want to see how much highest temperatures the phone can actually increase. That is what exactly I'm going to check. Let me try to quickly give the permissions for the files and media this time. Yep. Exactly. Let's see how much temperatures will increase in this phone. And previously I did see the temperature increase up to 37 degrees in the POCO F3 GT and 38 and 39 degrees in the Realme X1 Max. And where does this OnePlus Nord 2 will fit in? How much temperatures? And that is what I'll try to focus. And in case if you want me to do any other videos on the speed test or RAM management or camera or the display or the connectivity regarding the 4G place, so anything, let me know in the comment section below friends. So one thing, I may not be able to reply for everyone, but I'll definitely take a look at the comments what you're trying to comment under my videos. So make sure stay tuned for those. And also don't forget to participate in the community voting which I have created just now a couple of minutes back in terms of the community voting. So asking the users with which phone should I compare the OnePlus Nord 2 first. So that is what the request I did put in the community. So depending on the demand, I'll try to do those kind of comparison with those phones only at this point. So this is the reason I'm trying to ask few of the subscribers asking to participate, and in this way I'll be able to know what you guys want and what I should do next. That is the main motive of me posting the community post every day. And the temperature still now it went up to 34.8 degrees, not bad, 35, and front side 35.2, so 35.8 degrees at this moment. As you can see, 35.4 and 35.8. I just want to see what will be the highest temperatures in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. That's my main motive of doing this kind of test in the annual benchmark test. And one more thing friends, I keep on talking every time in every video. So I'm just trying to give the information as much as possible because a lot of users are actually waiting whether to buy this phone or should they buy the other devices. That is the reason I thought of uploading this video, which might be helpful for a lot of other users who are actually looking for this kind of things. I'll try to cover on the Oxygen OS and the Color OS which got mixed in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. I'll definitely focus on that particular topic as well. So comparing with the other Color OS for mobile phones, I'll try to show you how much it's similar. Right now, let's see the temperature is went up to 36.6 degrees. As you can see, 36.6 degrees at this moment. As you can see friends, 36.6 is the highest and the back side 35.2, 36 on the back side as well. Oh my god, as you can see 36.4. So usually every time there will be at least 1 degree less when compared with the front and back side every time. In most of the cases, 99% that will be the situation. But let's see in the front side. Front side is also 36.6 and even the back side is also close to 36 degrees. Somewhere around, we did see the 36 degrees just now. That's the one thing which I was just now mentioning, 36.6 as you can see here clearly, not bad. So I think so far the temperatures was remaining kind of okay, I would say, not bad at all. So let's see friends how much the scores we can actually get in this phone. And I'll try to do the same kind of comparison with other smartphones as well, comparing together. So in this way we'll be able to test it, and this is my day one and this is my first time in doing this kind of annual benchmark test without installing any kind of applications in the phone. Right now let's check the temperatures, how much it is. 36.6, not bad as you can see. So for every phone there's certain amount of threshold value for the temperatures. Yes, that is what I'm going to find out friends in every phone. So that is the reason of me doing this kind of annual benchmark test every time whenever I get. And this first impressions will be the giving you a little bit kind of feelings on this OnePlus Nord 2 device in terms of whether this phone can do it better or not. I don't know. The benchmarks are not everything, so the real life scenario will be completely different in terms of doing the speed test or RAM management or all those kind of things. It will be completely different. But let's see what will be the Antutu benchmark scores, and the temperature is 36.6 only. Yes, so that is the highest temperature I did see, friends, 36.6 degrees. So based upon the temperatures, maybe I do feel maybe the temperatures might not increase, I think, much, because when compared with other Dimensity processors, I can definitely say that. So Realme X1 Max 38 degrees, POCO F3 GT 37 degrees, and this one 36 degrees. So when I try to do the side-by-side Antutu benchmark test, maybe then we might be able to get to know which phone has got what type of results in terms of the temperatures. So right now, as you can see, friends, these are the final results which we got in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So the score is about 5,88,000 only. So we are seeing the Dimensity 1200 score is about kind of close to coming around 6 lakhs. I'm not sure how the Realme X1 Max is managed to keep that kind of high scores in terms of the Antutu benchmark only. So I'm not sure at all. So these are the 5,88,000, friends. I'll try to take the screenshot and I'll try to keep it in my gallery, so just for the reference purpose, and every time when I want to visit, I can definitely visit that. This is the day one of taking the test, doing the Antutu benchmark test in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So overall, the temperatures did not increase much. That's the one thing. Temperature went up to 36 degrees only during this process of demonstration in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, and the temperature is only 2.5 degrees increased. As I said, as you can see, it did not increase much. Even the battery percentage is only 4% decreased. As you can see, 4% decreased during this process of demonstration. So it's CPU 1,59,000, not bad, and the GPU 1,97,000. So I need to compare with the POCO F3 GT at least, because right now I do feel the POCO F3 GT and the OnePlus Nord 2 does have the slightly bit kind of more competition to each other. So a lot of viewers are actually waiting for this kind of comparison as well. I'll definitely do it, friends, as soon as possible. So make sure to stay tuned for those upcoming videos on this OnePlus Nord 2 by comparing with other smartphones as well. So meanwhile, in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the playlist which I have created for the OnePlus Nord 2 and even for the POCO F3 GT users as well. That will be giving you the clear idea of what is happening with the both phones. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.